Okay, good evening or good morning. Today we're going to talk about hydraulic machines and how they relate to Pascal's principle for our Engineering 311 class. My name is Rodolfo Falcone and our camera girl is
Caitlin Roy.
Okay, and we're going to try to explain, like I mentioned before, hydraulic machines. These machines, you see them very often. We have a couple of examples on the board. One of them is forklifts that you would see constantly in supermarkets, plants, to try to move larger objects from one place to another. And you'll see it's also a car jack that you would have in your vehicle. So to try to explain this principle, the Pascal principle, we have this small model on this table, and this principle states that when a pressure increases at any point in a confined fluid, then an equal increase of the same will take place at every point in the container. So I want you to look at this model. This is a hydraulic machine, and I want you to look at this syringe right here. It's a little bit smaller in area than the syringe on this end, okay? So this hydraulic machine, of course, is going to help us lift up any weight on this platform, any object that we'll have on this platform. Now, let's look at the board one more time, and I just have these equations right here to have a little better idea on what pressure is. Pressure is force over area. And the Pascal principle stated that we will be transferring kind of like the pressure from one end to the other one. But because we have a smaller area on this side, it will allow us to apply a smaller force on this end to be able to lift something with a greater force. All right? So let's go ahead, and in this hydraulic machine we're using sort of liquid water, and so we increase the pressure on this end, and it's happening at any point in our confined fluid. And as we do this, as a result, we have an equal increase in pressure at every point in the container. And as you see, like, the fluid is traveling, the pressure is traveling, and this is what is allowing us to lift any object on this platform. All right? So it's a very simple experiment that is helping us explain the Pascal principle and how it helps us in our everyday life. Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope you enjoy the video.